Did you know that there is an easy side hustle to start with $0? Selling ebooks on Amazon is a fantastic side hustle to start with for aspiring entrepreneurs. By tapping on the popularity of ebooks and utilizing Amazon's robust platform, selling ebooks can be a highly effective and profitable side hustle. So what if I tell you that there's an easy, smart way of creating ebooks so that you can start selling them right away? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sophie, and you can follow my channel to learn about digital tools, marketing, and growing your side hustles with minimal investment. Today we're diving into the world of ebooks and how you can start selling them as a side hustle using a fantastic tool called Designrr. Designrr is a user-friendly app that allows you to create stunning ebook from various content sources such as blog posts and even podcasts. It is perfect for those who want to create high-quality ebooks without any design or technical experience. You can sign up for a one-time investment of $27 using the link on the description box below. So once you have signed up, this is the dashboard which you can see the various options to create the ebook, whether it's from WordGenie or any of these options to import from the content sources, whether it's from the blog post or the URL, from the Word doc, as well as from the template. So for this tutorial, I'll import content from the Word document. Just click on this option, upload a existing document which I prepared beforehand. So this is the topic, top 5 advantages of a side hustle. Click on it. And right now it is uploading. You can add a theme. So I'll just put business. Next. Okay, so you can actually use any of the templates available in this section. I mean, of course, if you have design skills, you can start from scratch. But I think this is good enough that you can choose this incredible selection that you can use for this ebook creation. So let's try to choose this one. So as you can see here, our content, which was from the Word document, has already been imported to this template over here. So you don't have to copy and paste anything, right? And of course, this is the cover page. I will just make slight adjustment, some adjustment by reducing the size. And you can even change the color, or maybe make it to darker to let it be prominent. Okay, so we're gonna shift this a bit and remove the this little font over here. To remove it, there's a blue bar over here. So over this icons here, you can click this bin icon to remove it. So we're gonna shift back to its original place. I'm gonna change my name by Grace Lee. And of course, let's change this to something else. Okay, so let's say if you decide to change the cover, you can definitely, do so. There's definitely, just a few handful of choices, but of course, if you can roll over to the suggested images, you can definitely change to a relevant keyword by typing side hustle. As you can see here, there are definitely options you can choose from. Yeah, this one is just really good because it has a hustle word on this cup over here. Some adjustments so the font, the title covers can still be seen. Okay, so this is good enough. Over here you will see the layout of your content. Of course, you need to do some adjustments to the spacing of the title or so that it doesn't look confusing to the reader. And of course, you may wish to change the color instead. Instead of black, you can change it to white, or maybe with a white background so that it is easily displayed. And of course, can you can have the liberty to change the font for the content. So this font Meriwether is good enough, but I would definitely make the subheader slightly larger, and I would definitely insert an image. Maybe we can include, let's insert this over this section over here. Adjust the spacing, whether you can do it on the center, or you can include different variations. There's definitely some adjustments you need to do so to ensure that is readable. So make sure you read all the content carefully. There's no typo involved, and of course, even though it is automated, you need to make sure that you do your due diligence in do some copy editing on your part. So if you wish to, you can include images to, kind of like break the monotony of the text. Having an image would definitely create a balanced look, every one of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna, add some more image just to kind of like make it more attractive. Let's choose this one. I can make it larger, breaking the ends here so that it is more bigger in size. But this is the back cover, so definitely you need to keep this. You can change it, maybe include something about yourself and just add it over here. And if you don't want this image, you can change it. Of course, we need to make some adjustments. You can include additional pages if you wish to, two columns, tables of content about yourself. So these are pretty much a very kind of like approachable way of creating ebook without the hassle. And definitely I would recommend for first time beginners to try, or even invest in Designrr to create this ebook. Save it. Make sure that you save this just so that uh, you can even preview right now and see that this is pretty much what we have just did. Right now, you can export it into Kindle, which is a recommended file type if you wish to do it for Amazon. Of course, you need to sign up for the pro version, or else you can just um, export it into an Adobe e-reader, which is good enough for Amazon eBooks. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and starting and growing your side hustles. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions or if there's any topic you'd like me to cover next. So thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.